Kindergarten TEKSas Target Practice is a daily, teacher-led math routine built on the science of what makes learning stick. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, students preview, practice, and review skills so that over the course of 2 weeks, they have spiraled through every math text for their grade level, building a solid foundation in state standards. This isn't busy work. It's the moment when things start to click. Kindergarten TEKSas Target Practice is built for whole group instruction. It fits easily into carpet time, your morning meeting, as a bell ringer, or as a wrap-up. Choose what works best for you. Just be consistent. You'll see how this tiny habit reaps big results over time. The goal is simple: a short, consistent practice that builds strong number sense, deeper understanding of the standards, and confident mathematicians. Little by little, you'll see that a little becomes a lot. Log in using your email and the password you've been sent, or by using your Google, Clever, or ClassLink account. Once logged in, you'll find your TEKSas Target Practice product card. You'll see 3 buttons on this card: Downloads for printable classroom resources, Tutorials for extra support, and Start Program to begin your daily routine. Before your first day, be sure you print your downloads. These will include teacher instructions and tips, plus valuable bonus resources like number line, number cards, number connection posters, math strategy posters, and addition and subtraction posters. Put these up where students can easily see them and use them. These are more than just decorations. They're on your walls to help you teach. Once inside your program, you'll see that TEKSas Target Practice is organized in 2-week sets. Each set has 10 colors. You'll complete 1 color per day. Simply work your way through day by day. Your program will track your daily progress. You'll see a green line under each day you have completed. Select the day's set and color, then project it on your board for the class. Let's start at square one. Set 1, gold. Each day starts with 3 quick spiraled activities, A, B, and C. These activities help students preview, practice, and review key skills. These are often intentionally mixed, so students practice choosing strategies instead of just plugging and chugging. For each letter, read the instructions, model your thinking out loud, and guide the students through the question. Use the digital tools on the bottom right to write your student responses. Encourage student talk, choral response, and hands-on thinking with fingers, drawings, and manipulatives. Click Think About It at the bottom of the screen to access vocabulary support. These visual vocabulary cards pair visuals with math language to help students make connections and explain their thinking. You'll also find interactive tools built in, such as 10 frames and rekenreks, to help students model and explain their reasoning. After completing the work for each letter, select the Answer button for immediate feedback. For questions where the answers may vary, this button will not be clickable. For the first few weeks, this will be mostly teacher-led. As students grow more confident, you can invite students to help guide the routine. After completing A, B, and C, the next activity is the number of the week. Students will explore the same number all week to build a strong number sense. They will see it, say it, write it, move it, build it, and spot the numbers in real life. Start each day with a quick connection to yesterday's learning. Keep the routine short, interactive, and consistent. This simple, repeated exposure is going to build flexible thinking around numbers. Finish your session with Name That Number for fast number recognition and building subitizing skills. Here's how to use Name That Number. First, choose your representations. From the menu, select which representations you want the students to see. Options include base 10 blocks, fingers, standard numbers, 10 frames, or rekenreks. You can choose as many of these as you want in the mix. Now, set your number range. Pick the numbers you want to focus on, either numbers up to 10 or numbers up to 20. Decide if you want the numbers to be shown in order or randomized by clicking here. Now decide on your play mode. Would you like the cards to autoplay, or would you rather manually click using the arrows on the side? Finally, it's the student's turn. Hit Get Started and you're ready to go. Students will call out the number that matches the representation shown. You can do this quarterly, round robin, have them show the answers on their hands, alternate day by day from any of these. Just find what works for you and do it. Just a minute or two of this activity will help students quickly recognize quantities at a glance. Throughout the activities, keep students talking, moving, and showing their thinking. Use manipulatives and drawings and gestures as you model strategies. Refer often to the posted tools that you've placed around the classroom. The goal is active participation. Some tools to know. Students will use tools like 10 frames and rekenreks to see numbers in groups of 5 and 10. On the 10 frames, always fill starting in the top left and moving across each row, and then down. For the rekenreks, you can slide the beads to show the numbers. The top row shows 5 red beads and 5 white beads. Students can move the beads one by one or in groups of 5 to quickly see quantities. These visual patterns will help students subbatize, compose numbers, and make 10 with confidence. Within TEKSas Target Practice, you'll see a variety of interactive question types, including multi-select, drag and drop, and quick recall disappearing questions. These formats keep students actively engaged and strengthen focus, strategy selection, and fluency. That's it. It really is as easy as ABC. In just 10 to 15 minutes a day, TEKSas Target Practice spirals every TEKS, strengthens every math muscle through retrieval and interleaving, and it builds confident mathematicians with daily feedback. Open today's color and guide the routine. Let's see those small daily moments stack into real, remarkable growth.